What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we are gonna take a look at a 2024 Hot Wheels 5-pack. This is the Hot Wheels Remote Adventures. You know, normally I don't show too many Hot Wheels multi-packs here on this channel. The reason is I think these Hot Wheels multi-packs, or especially the 5-packs, aren't that good. Very often you get 3 or 4 pretty wild fantasy castings and only one good model. Sometimes I show that multi-pack stuff because I get it for free, you know. Sometimes when you buy diecast for a certain amount of money in a toy store, you get these multi-packs on top for free, or in this case, I got it pretty cheap for €5. And this 5-pack isn't too bad in my opinion. We get 4 licensed models, and yeah, let's take a look at them. This is the packaging. The Ram Rebel is the cover model, and I already opened one of these things up, so let's go through them one by one. This is the first one, the 2010 Toyota Tundra. First of all, this feels pretty light, although it's yeah, kind of a heavy vehicle. Comes in a flat olive livery. Unfortunately, we don't get any deco on the front and on the back. Especially on the back, it looks very plain in my opinion, but the deco on the side is, yeah, pretty nice. We see some mountains, and here we are reading Overland. I think also the wheels are a very good match. I mean, I'm not too much into pickups, but yeah, this one's pretty nice. I mean, some deco on the front and or on the back would have been nice, but you know, it is how it is. We go on with the next one. This is the only unlicensed model. This is the Dune-A-Soar. Well, can't say too much about this thing. This is the first version of this model that I bought. I mean, it's basically, yeah, it mimics like one of these off-road rally vehicles. Not too much diecast here on this one. A lot of plastic. We get this brown base with the brown wheels, and this yeah, small brown push bar on the front and on the back. I mean, it isn't too bad. I think it's yeah, pretty good on a track, I guess. Although it doesn't have a metal base and a plastic top like all the real good track cars have. Then we go on with this one here. This is the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and this is a pretty nice version in my opinion. We don't get any deco on the back, but on the front, and this looks very good. Then you see this is kind of the weathered version or the dirty version. We see some mud splashing from the tires, and I mean, although we don't have any deco on the back, it looks pretty good because you know, we have these molded in taillights and also the Ram lettering here on the tailgate. I think this one is looking really good. I do have 2 other versions of this one in yeah, kind of a candy apple red, I would call it. And then we saw this one also as a regular treasure hunt. Coast Patrol. You can see right here with a red interior. Also a pretty neat version. But this thing here, pretty cool. Into the parking lot it goes, and then we go on with this one here. This feels pretty heavy compared to our Toyota Tundra. This is the custom Ford Bronco. Well, it's kind of an interesting casting. On the one hand, I think it looks pretty cool. On the other hand, I don't know. little bit strange. It's kind of hard to explain, but I mean, we got a very nice livery in flat gold with an interesting deco on the side. Guess it's kind of a sunset, I guess. I'm not really sure. But I think it, yeah, looks pretty good. A little bit strange, but pretty good. So he goes into the parking lot as well. And yeah, our last one, in my opinion, is the best one. This is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma in glossy gray with, yeah, I would call it full deco. I mean, you don't get anything on the hood and on the roof, but on the sides, on the front, and also on the back. And this one looks very good for a mainline model. I also love the color combination between, the gray and this deco here on the side, yellow, orange, and red. This one looks really good. We also get these crisp headlight details. And yeah, the Tacoma lettering here on the tailgate. And the interesting thing is, recently we've seen another mainline version of this model, also with full deco. And this version here in flat baby blue also looks fantastic in my opinion. And once again, we get full deco on this thing. It's something that you see very rarely in the mainline. I don't know why they did it, yeah, twice on this one here, but yeah, fantastic pair. And by the way, I think this one here was the debut version a few years ago. I'm pretty sure. So as you can see, this one comes in plain blue. We get deco on the front and the back, and that's it. And then we have these really cool two versions with full deco. So let's put our Toyota in the parking lot. And as always, we take a final look at our models from this Hot Wheels 5-pack, the Hot Wheels Remote Adventures. As always, I'm picking a favorite. And, well, this one's pretty good, but I think definitely it's the Toyota Tacoma in this very, very nice deco. And yeah, on top of that, I like the fact that I got this multi-pack for €5, which is a pretty good deal. And these are my final words for this video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.